Okay, here we have this one. This is your spinal nerve root. Spinal nerve root. So, this one would be your C5. This one would be your C6. This one would be your C7, C8, and C1. Spinal nerve root. Okay. So your C5 and C6 would now fuse to form your upper trunk. Your C7 would continue to form your middle trunk. Your C8 and C1 would fuse together to form your lower trunk. One is an upper, middle, lower because of the location at this area here. The one is more upper, so upper. One is more lower, so lower. The one is found in the middle, so middle here. Okay, after the trunks, what will follow there would be the division. It's not that clear, so hindi na natin ikuha ng division here. But expect mo nag-division na siya. Okay. After the division, what will follow would be your cord. So the cord there, on the lateral side, so we call this as your lateral cord. On the medial side, this one, you have your medial cord. And the one that is found posterior, you have your posterior cord. Okay. So your lateral cord, okay, has a branch. This branch there that pierces towards the coracobrachialis and towards the biceps. So we call this now as your musculocutaneous nerve. Musculocutaneous nerve. And then your lateral cord and your medial cord now fuse together to form this nerve. We call this nerve now as your median nerve. Okay. So your median nerve, mana ko mention musculocutaneous now. Your median nerve has these branches. Kani siya one branch here, kani siya kaning gamay. Nasa anterior sa imong forearm, so we call this as your anterior interosseous nerve. And then there, towards the head, again gives out branches, so we call this your palmar cutaneous branch of the median nerve. Palmar cutaneous branch of the median nerve. Okay. So, from your medial cord, you have this another branch there, going down, yung siyang a branch, down, behind the medial epicondyle, further down. We call this nerve now as the ulnar nerve. And then here you have your palmar side mo na siya, so you have your palmar cutaneous branch of the ulnar nerve, supplying the distal and medial half of the ring finger. Okay. Next, maklaro din. Or maklaro siya mo go out here. So, this is the last epicondyle. So, the one that pierces towards the muscle, so that would be your deep branch of the radial nerve. And the other one is more superficial, so you have superficial branch of the radial nerve. Under sa artery. Okay, so this would be your subclavian artery. This would be your axillary artery. Okay, then from there, sa lower borders of this major, it now becomes your brachial artery, where it divides into two. One on the radial side, so you have your radial artery. One on the ulnar side, medial side, you have your ulnar artery. So,